Hi guys, welcome to SK Smart Teaching. Today we are going to know about 5 tips to make your classroom interactive. If you are a teacher and new to this profession, this video would definitely help you. Before that, if you are watching our video first time, please subscribe our channel for more such videos which can help you to interact in your class. Let's start our topic now. We as teachers come across different kinds of students. So we have to make our class interesting and interactive to get more interested by the children. Through this video, you'll come to know how to make your classroom more interactive by building a positive classroom culture. Here are 5 tips which help in making your classroom more lively and interesting. Tip 1. Maintain teacher-student ratio. Lesser the students, more the interaction. Usually it depends on age and class level. For K to 3 level students, ratio is 15:1. Middle school suggested ratio is 20:1 and high school level ratio is 25:1. Tip 2. Interaction is a key. Interaction builds strong bond between a teacher and a student. Keep asking many questions to collect answers and opinions from the student. Try to interact with all students periodically. By doing this, students get more attached to the teacher and start opening up. Tip 3. Make teaching interesting. If you are dealing with languages like English and other local languages, try for voice modulation during story narration. Make the students listen to some audio clips that would develop their accent and speaking skills. Plan for some role plays or skits with the students during the class which creates interesting to them. Let students make their own masks of characters and enact as those characters which inspire more than usual. For subjects like mathematics and sciences, try to demonstrate and prefer for hands-on teaching. Use multimedia like video clips as part of your teaching. But make sure to show short duration videos which help you to achieve your goals. By showing lengthy videos, there may be more chances for distraction and misleading from the actual point to be reached. Let students make some questions on their own out of the concept learned. For a change, plan some outdoor teaching classes.
Tip 4. Emphasize group activities.
Plan and conduct seminars, group discussions through which develop confidence and interaction with peer group. Peer grouping activities will help the students to learn how to plan for an activity and also execute them as a team. Tip 5. On your mark. As a mentor should be a role model to the child. So always be on time to the class. Connect your previous sessions with the present session. Always be prepared before you enter into the class. Have short goals to make the concept simple and efficient in a feasible time planned. Change your style of teaching according to the age and the class level you teach. Set some goals. If possible, display them in the class. Keep telling and reminding them what are you expecting from them, hoping that these tips would definitely make your class interactive. If you like this video, please like, share, comment and do subscribe. Thank you all.